tatastau tapasam kalam kshepayam asatuhu pratak. Then for just time pass, see Maharaj, this principle of time pass is not just a joke. Kalam kshepayam asatuhu pratak tatastau tapasa kalam. What was the discussion? Discussion was, Vada Kvak Kshapita Kalaha. How did you spend your time? Friends, all the spiritual life is time pass. Nothing else. We have to again and again remember this. We are here only for a time pass. If you take this principle of time pass, you will learn everything in spiritual life. When you have a job, what is a job? Out of 24 hours which are given to you per day by God, out of that 24 hours, so many hours you sail. See? So here the other day I was seeing a labor market, and I asked my friend, I said, hey, this labor, how much money they get and how much work they have to do? Oh, they get per day 350 rupees and they have to work for 9 hours. So, out of 24 hours, 9 hours fetch them 350 rupees provided they work. See? So, 9 hours they have to sell. So, somehow they have to fill in the 9 hours. So, these sincere laborers, they work hard and earn money. Government servants, they sell the government. They don't sell the time. See, friends. Therefore, Vadak Kshapita Kalaha, how did you spend your time? Remember this principle of spiritual life. We have to work on the time scale. Begin your day early morning in a fresh mode. Finish your morning ABCD. Do little bit of yoga, asana, pranayam. Then study the scriptures. And with proper understanding, then sit quiet and reflect on what you have studied. This is meditation. Don't simply sit down and struggle with the mind, chitta vritti nirodha. Don't do that. And in this manner, start your day in a proper orientation. Then whatever you have to do as a daily routine, you do it properly and all that. But always keep in touch with the morning, what we have learned today in the morning. And in this manner, although we are functioning in the world, we are tuned with the divine. This is the meaning of time pass. Then we will not be disturbed by anything or anybody or any event or any situation in our life. And that is the life of a dignified person. Therefore, we have to understand this principle of time. That Vadak Kvak Kshapita Kalaha. How did you spend your time? See? Our time is, it is said, Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gacchati Dhimatam. Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gacchati Dhimatam. The wise people spend their time by getting engaged in the study of the scriptures or in the music or in some art or study, etc. Kalo Gacchati. And Vinodena, cheerfully and happily. And Kalahena tu Murkhanam Bhogena tava. And those who are murkha, they spend their time in laziness, fighting, anger and bhoga and nothing else. Therefore, if we have to learn what is the spiritual life, find out how do you spend your time. Each and every day must be accounted in our life. See? This is what we have learned from our Swamiji. He is to tell us. See? You are accountable. Every day of your life is accountable to the society. Society is looking after you. So, your whole life is sold to the society. And therefore, there is no holiday. Every day is a working day. See, friends, spiritual life is this. Every day is a working day.